So these will bring me to the next rule, which is fluency develops in stages, not all at once. You don't go from one day to another, that's it, you are fluent. But rather, it goes in stages. And experts in linguistics, they have tried to break down these stages into four, which is first you learn about how to say things about yourself, how you feel, what you want, what you see, where you live, your name, etc., etc., everything related to yourself. Then you go into your surroundings. So the country where you live, the street where you live at, the objects that you see, the directions that you are asking for, or you are, telling someone to go. Then you go into interest or topics. So things that actually interest you, like reading. You are able to talk about reading and how much you love it and what type of books you like reading, or about sports and going to the gym and what type of workouts you like to do. And then later on, you get to abstract ideas, which is opinions, beliefs, arguments. And then you can get more into actually scholarly works of ulama and Arabic books and things that are abstract ideas, like the idea of freedom, the idea of worshiping Allah Azza wa Jal, the idea of gratitude towards Allah Azza wa Jal. These are topics that require a little bit more advanced vocabulary and sentence structuring, and as well understanding when you read. But the point is,